Hi peeps! How are you doing, folks? Always good to see you. Welcome to my channel. Look at my brand new Lenovo Ideapad Gaming 3. I will list the precise model of this laptop here below. Official Lenovo color name is Shadow Black. Have you been searching YouTube how to install an additional SATA SSD in this laptop? You came to the right place. You will find the exact hardware specification below this video in the description box. I will also put the link of the official hardware maintenance manual for you to download as well. The SATA SSD I'm going to install is 1TB Patriot P200. One more thing before we get started. Let me show you this mounting kit that I got for free, included in box. It consists of 4 components. This is the mounting bracket. I heard they sometimes call it the caddy. Where do these go? We got 2 types of screws here, the black ones and the silver ones. You will see where to fit them later. This is Lenovo's specific internal SATA cable. Last but not least, some anti-vibration paddings. We will stick these onto the caddy once the SSD is inside. Let's put the SSD into the caddy and fasten it with the screws. The silver ones are meant for the mounting bracket. I will attach the Lenovo internal SATA cable straight away. Like you see, it's already pre-bent. Time to get the back cover out of the way. The 4 screws closest to me are shorter. The rest 6 screws are a bit longer. Word of caution before removing the back plate. The back cover is unusually held tight, even when you remove all the screws. So apply the appropriate amount of force. I will start like this for you to see, and I will not fast forward this part. Surely you notice how I progress slow, and I have to admit, I still managed to break one of the plastic clips. You don't want to have any electricity running through the components when you touch them, so let's disconnect the battery. It is advisable not to pull on these wires, but apply an appropriate amount of force onto the very connector. Just to make sure there's no leftover electricity running through the components, I'm going to press the power button a couple of times. That should be enough. The NVMe drive, M.2, is right here. You either use the M.2 SSD or the SATA SSD. You can use them both. Where on earth are the memory modules? Let me lift this cover. Two slots exposed. 3 mounting screws. Where's the fourth one? Right here. Here's the HDD connector on the motherboard. Just lift it gently. It can easily break. Last but not the least, the anti-vibration paddings. These two are meant for M.2 drives, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section below. Don't forget to reconnect the battery. The white dot on the connector should barely be visible. And that is basically it. Hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video if you liked it. So instead of watching the screwdriver in the end, let us check the BIOS if it registered the new SSD. And there's our Patriot P200 1TB.